Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kelcey D. If you are new, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button somewhere down at the below, you know. And if you are old, what's up? Guess what? Today's my birthday, March 2nd. Today I'm 26 years old. Yes, I know I don't look 26. You don't have to tell me. Anyway, so today I'm going to be going to see Black Panther in Japan. It just came out March 1st, I mean. So I'm going to go see it for my birthday now because I haven't seen it. And I'm so excited to see it. It looks so good. But without further ado, if you like what you see on my face, please continue watching. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Of course, first thing you want to do is prime your eye, and what I'm using is Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. I finally got that right. Usually I mess it up. I'm taking a Morphe E27 brush, just a big, well, it's not big, big fluffy brush. I'm going to dip into the pot and prime my whole eyelid and crease. So since that's done, I'm going to set it with my Sacha buttercup setting powder. So I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I am thinking about doing the makeup look that I did for my Let's Try It when I did Peel Off Lipstick. If you haven't seen that, go check it out because then you'll know what makeup that I'm about to do. So it's not like super dramatic, but it's like nice. And I'm gonna go see Black Panther tonight, so I think I might just do that because it's a simple eye look. So the first palette I'm gonna use is the Jaclyn Hill palette because I love creamsicle so much, and my crease is just the perfect transition color. It's so nice on me and I love it. So now I'm just going to use another big fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics. It's a blending brush that I'm just going to take that color and apply it to my entire crease and close to my eyebrow because I don't have a huge crease, so I just bring it all the way up there. So that's all the way on, and let's see. If I remember correctly, I used the Jaclyn Hill palette for most of it, but I forgot what color I used on my lid. Maybe it was that color. Okay, so I'm using the M330. I'm gonna apply Hunts to my crease a little bit lower than the yellow color, or yeah, yellow orange transition color, a little bit lower on my crease. Wow, I guess I put all of it all on here. That's fine. Makes it go faster. So when I apply eyeshadow, I like to bring it all the way to the inner corner, all the way to the outer corner. Because the surface, like this area, is not that big compared to a lot of other people. So I'm putting it all over my eyelid. Crease, everything. Look at that. Looks good. I usually don't do this. I usually get another brush, but I'm just going to take that same transition color and just apply it right on top, because I think that's what I did when I did it for that video. I just applied it on top to blend it out. So if I'm remembering correctly, I think I combined Jax from the Jaclyn Hill palette and Ada from the Masquerade. Yeah, the Masquerade palette by Juvia's place together, and I applied that lower in my crease. Maybe, I honestly can't remember, but that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm so excited to see Black Panther, y'all. It just came out in Japan March 1st, and as you can see, or heard at least, in the in my intro, my birthday is March 2nd. And it came out like in February in the States, and everybody was trying to talk about it. And I wasn't trying to be on Facebook trying to hear all like the jokes and stuff. You know how memes like come out And if you haven't seen it, like, it's not funny and you're lost. So I was like, oh, I can't wait to see this. And I'm seeing it tonight and I'm so excited. Yeah, I think that looks good. Like, this was a really simple eye look that I just like, I'm gonna just do this. So the next thing is taking a BH Cosmetic just like flat shadow brush, and I'm going to use this black shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette and going to apply it to my outer V area. Just kind of just like pack it on that area, like just like that, just pack it on just that area. And then take the same M4112, I told you what I was using before, I can't remember, and take those same colors that I used lower in my crease to just blend the black out. So kind of like in a circular motion, blend it out, because I don't want it to go all the way to the inner corner with this color. I kind of just want it to stay kind of 2/3, like bring it in 2/3 of the way. If you have hooded eyes, you always want to like look straight into the camera, or not into the camera, into the mirror, because then you can see how much the color is actually showing. Because if you just applied a lot of color, if you applied it too low, maybe the whole hooded part is not even showing, or like high, not even showing. The hooded part isn't. The hooded part is hiding the color that you put on your lid. So you gotta like make sure you're looking straight, especially when blending and adding color. Okay, I think that's good, but I'm going to take the M330 and apply the second transition color on top of that, just a little bit to blend it out. And actually, because I lost some of the darkness of the black, I'm going to apply a little bit more to that corner, and then take the M412 brush and blend it out again. Yeah, I think that looks good. So I know I say so a lot. I can't remember what color I used for the lid. I think it was this color. So I'm not even going to cut my crease out, because this is a sparkly color, and sometimes when I add sparkly colors, it transfers to my upper lid, because I have hooded eyes, and it actually turns out really nice. And that's what I did before I didn't cut my crease out. So I think I'm going to be using Obsessed. I'm going to be using Obsessed in the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm just going to use my ring finger and apply it to my eyelid and a little bit above, so it can actually have the transfer action happen. But I hope this is the right color, because if it's not, I'm gonna be mad. Oh yeah, I think, yeah, I think this is the right color. So I'm bringing it like on my eyelid above my actual natural eyelid crease, so it can be bigger, but it's gonna do it automatically, because when I open my eyes, it's gonna transfer. And I'm going to bring it to the edge of the black and kind of like blend it back and forth, so it looks like one color, not just two different colors, like it's blended together basically. And voila, that eye is done. Well, actually, I put like, do I want to do that? Do I want to do that? Do I want to do that? Just gonna like clean it up. That's gonna look nice. So it's either keep it like this or add eyeliner. But like, yeah, I'ma ruin it. Well, I mean, actually, it looked nice when I did it. I'm going to be using this neon red eyeliner, this neon red eyeliner by D Glow Cosmetics liquid gel liner, and I'm going to apply it. Ooh, I have to see, because I kind of want to apply this and like put the glitter liner on top. We'll see how it looks. Okay, this is actually really hard. It's not hard to apply. Like the brush is shaped weird that it's hard to apply, kind of, to get it like straight. Like, I don't know how to explain. It's just, I don't know, the brush is just shaped weird to me. I don't know, but okay, here I go. I'm just gonna apply it right on top where the lid color stops. I'm gonna apply it right on top of there. Yeah, I just ruined it in the front. Oh, see? It's so bright though. I wonder if I was trying to see if I wonder if I can just cover that part up or somehow like smudge it off. I don't know. We'll see. Note to self, start like in the middle, because if you start in the front, it's probably gonna be wide and you might mess it up. Because this kind of looks messed up. But what can you do instead of just keep going? Because I'm not taking it off. Yeah. No, we're gonna work with this. Okay, so this eye is basically finished. I have to apply eyeliner, mascara, bottom lash line, and whatnot. But what I'm gonna do is finish this eye off camera and then come back and then show you how to do this side at the bottom and whatnot. So my face should be basically almost done, but I'll be right back. So I'm back and this eye is finished. No, it's not. I never put a highlighter on. I never. One day I'm gonna remember and have it all done before I say finish. I want to put a sparkly one on. I'm using this one in light from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Maybe. Oh, this brush is acting strange. That's fine. I might as well do it to the other eye since I'm thinking about it. Okay, now this eye is done. I applied eyeliner, mascara to the bottom and lower lash line, and yeah. Oh, and I put glitter on top of the orange, so I don't know, like whatever. I don't know. Yeah. So I used a Morphe 169. I dipped it into Jack's and I just dragged it across my waterline, my bottom waterline. And then I took Morphe M431 and Hunts, yes, and put it kind of like on top and then to like blend it down a little bit. And then I took the same brush that I used the black on, and I didn't add any more black to it. I'm just using like the residue of the black that's already on there, and I put it like in the corner of my eye as you just saw, and then just to blend it in that area a little bit. Yeah, I think that looks the same. I'm gonna put more of the Obsessed color like in the corner of my eye. Bring it all the way to the corner. Yeah, I like that better. Oh, this is a Morphe 156. I'm using the small side, not the big side. Yeah. Okay. So for eyeliner, I use the Morphe eyeliner in the color Pearly. and put it on my lower lash line. Curling my lashes with my lash curler. I'm using CoverGirl Mascara Waterproof Resistant Lash Blast Fusion, the purple one, and applying it to my eyelashes. I don't feel like putting on false lashes, so these eyes are finished. So I still need to put on mascara. I just put on mascara, blush, and highlighter. And as always, I'm using the Glamour Blush 10 Color Blush Palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm using this last shade. I don't know, I just always use that shade. I'm putting it on the apples of my cheeks. And then my Becca. Okay, my Becca highlighter in the color Opal. Just like, look at this. It didn't dry like. So I believe I'm finished. I believe I'm finished. I applied highlighter, mascara, eyebrow highlighter. Well, I still have to apply my lipstick, but like, other than that, the face is finished. Come on, just stay in there for a second. So I'm using the makeup settings, Urban Decay makeup setting spray, cooling and hydrating. Oh, okay. They both say cooling and hydrating. Last time I said all nighter, I think, and they both say cooling and hydrating. So, face is finished. This is for the lipstick. Okay. This is the new bottle. I don't know what lipstick I want to use or to put on. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna put on Whirl by MAC. Okay, chestnut lip liner. So I'm gonna pull down my hair and like go fix it to make it look right, because I have no idea what it looks like, and probably just put on a jacket. Yeah, I'll be right back. So this is the final look. All I did was just put on a leather jacket. I think it fits with the look that I'm going for. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you're gonna do. Tell me what you're gonna do next. Tell me what you want me to do next.